Hello and welcome to English with Confidence. My name is Lily. If this is your first time here, I'm really glad you found us. Today is a little different. Instead of a story, we're going to practice speaking together using a method called shadowing. Here's how it works. I'll say a sentence. You pause the moment I finish and say it out loud yourself in your own voice. Then I'll say it again and you'll hear how close you got. Don't worry about being perfect. The goal is simply to move your mouth, hear your own voice, and build the habit of speaking English out loud every single day. Let's begin with everyday greetings and small talk. Hi there, it's good to see you again. Hi there, it's good to see you again. How has your week been so far? How has your week been so far? It's been busy, but a good kind of busy. It's been busy, but a good kind of busy. I haven't seen you in a while. What have you been up to? I haven't seen you in a while. What have you been up to? Not much, just the usual routine, honestly. Not much, just the usual routine, honestly. Well, it was really nice running into you today. Well, it was really nice running into you today. Great job. Let's move to a new situation now, ordering food at a cafe. Hi, could I get a medium coffee, please? Hi, could I get a medium coffee, please? Sure, would you like anything else with that? Sure, would you like anything else with that? Just the coffee for now, thank you. Just the coffee for now, thank you. Could I also get that to go, please? Could I also get that to go, please? No problem, that'll be ready in a few minutes. No problem, that'll be ready in a few minutes. Well done. Now let's try something a little more challenging, a short conversation at work. Do you have a few minutes to go over this together? Do you have a few minutes to go over this together? Of course, let me just finish this one thing first. Of course, let me just finish this one thing first. I wanted to check if we're still on schedule for Friday. I wanted to check if we're still on schedule for Friday. I think so, but let me confirm with the team. I think so, but let me confirm with the team. Sounds good, just let me know if anything changes. Sounds good, just let me know if anything changes. Excellent, now, let's practice something everyone needs eventually. Handling a moment when you don't fully understand. Sorry, could you say that one more time? Sorry, could you say that one more time? Would you mind speaking a little slower, please? Would you mind speaking a little slower, please? I think I understood most of it, but not the last part. I think I understood most of it, but not the last part. Could you explain that in a different way? Could you explain that in a different way? Thanks for your patience. That makes much more sense now. Thanks for your patience. That makes much more sense now. You just practiced 4 real, everyday situations out loud in your own voice. That's exactly how speaking confidence builds. Not all at once, but one sentence, one repetition, one small moment at a time. If today felt useful, that's because it was real practice, not just listening. Come back for the next shadowing episode, where we'll practice a whole new set of everyday situations, a little longer and a little more challenging than today. If this helped you today, please subscribe to English with Confidence for a new shadowing episode and a new story every week. And if you know a friend who's also learning English, share this with them. Practicing together always helps. Thank you for speaking with me today. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and I'll see you in the next episode.